Hi guys, Ed here. Today I want to share with you basically a step-by-step process of the zones that we've come up with in the morning in our trading room, and the way I like to execute it, and the way my students execute it as well. So basically what we have is we come up with 4 zones. One of them is the minor short, and then we have a major short, minor long, and then a major long, for various reasons which we for various reasons which we disclose in the room. We've decided that this is a good zone to initially buy, to get some reaction and maybe turn around. And if that doesn't work, then our second zone as one which is a very high likability of working. So basically we identify these zones. Once price action gets there, we have to take the trade and then manage it from then on. So on the euro dollar, we have 1.3030 as our initial, sort of the beginning of our initial entry zone, and the major zone is between 1.3070 and about 1.3090. So those are the two short zones. Long zones from about 29.65, and then further long zone from 29.40. Now again, all of the reasons for these long and short zones are described in our trading room, and on the pound as well. These are the zones. I'm not going to go through them now and bore you with that. What the point of this video is to basically describe the way we execute the trades once price action gets into our zones, and just to guide you through what a typical day looks like. Obviously I don't know what's going to happen today, but based on our analysis, these are the zones that we're looking for reaction from, and we're looking for high probability trades to occur from. So I'm going to pause this video now and come back once my alarms start going off. Now, by the way, as you can see, these dashed lines here, those are my alarms. This is my buy alarm here. Let me just mark that out. This here is my buy alarm. This here is my sell alarm. As you can see, I've got them on all of the currency pairs here. And what happens is once price action gets to within a few pips of my sell zone, an alarm starts going off, and I can come back to the computer. So what usually happens is, once I've done my work in the morning, I leave the charts. I don't look at them. Well, I might look at them from time to time, but I don't need to be getting hypnotized by the charts. So I stay away until an alarm starts going off. That's when I come back to the charts, have a look. Also, these alarms, you can set them up to send you an email or a text message. I think you can get them to send you a text message. I don't know. I haven't really looked at it. I don't care. But basically, once it starts going off, I come to the screen, see what's happening, and enter my trade, and put my stop loss. Say if I'm shorting from the mid zone, I put my stop loss 5 pips above my above the high of the short zone, and I look to target this as my eventual target. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be back a bit later. I just wanted to give you a quick intro, and we'll see what happens. So see you in a bit. Alright guys, you can hear this this alarm going, so I'm just gonna adjust the alarm so it doesn't go crazy, and I'm gonna put my trade on. Waiting for my trading platform to load. I think some news has come out. I'm gonna put the trade on right here, and then we see what happens afterwards. Alright guys, so a quick update. It's now been, what, about half an hour later since we initially entered our trade. Right here at around 60. I'll actually show you on my trade station. You can see here our entry at around about 60, which is basically in our zone. I just wanted to show you that because I didn't take the trade on this. This is just a demo account which I do my trade planning on. But basically, the whole point is that we are in the trade. We are looking for our initial target is this 100 EMA. So at 1.305, and second target and third target are here. Second target is the minor short zone, which is at 30.30, and the major short zone is at 30.70. We also have a short trade lined up on the Aussie. So that's a quick update, and I will be back a bit later. So let's see what happens. And by the way, I'm gonna enter my short on the Aussie right now. It's looking like it might get stopped out, but I'm just gonna enter it anyway with about a 10 pip stop, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so pretty much on the euro we've hit our initial target. So I'm going to take some profits off. Aussie, we're still in the trade, just about 5 pips off of the stop loss. So that's pretty much the update for now. We're gonna wait. I mean, what I'm looking for on the euro probably happening is something like this, and then we push down here, I mean up there, and then we short from up there. So let's see what happens. That doesn't strictly have to happen, but we have hit our first target right here. And there we were just a couple of minutes later. Yeah, you can see we've hit our first target, and now we're pushing through that. So I've taken half of my profit off, and stop loss is a break even from a while back, and we'll see what happens later on. Alright, well, things happen in quick succession here. We have hit, just lost about 8 pips on this trade on the Aussie, but we're still pounding on the euro. I mean, we were in around about here, about 50 pip trade already. So I've actually I've taken profits, so we're very close to hitting our second target at the mid short zone, and that's where we're going to be looking to enter our initial short trade. So looking pretty bullish at the moment. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so we're coming in a bit later, and as you can see, we have now hit our minor short zone. This is where all the profits are taken off, and we look to short this puppy. We move into the 35 sort of zone, 30, 35, and then just begin shorting it right there. So let's see what happens. We're very close to it. The Aussie is also in our, approaching our short zone as well. So one more push up, and I'm gonna place a short trade, and we see what happens. The pound is not really anywhere close to our short entry, so 30 pips away. Seems to have found a top right here. So that's it for now. I'm gonna be back as new things happen. Hey guys, so just taking a quick look. It's been a couple of hours since the last time we've had a look at this, and we can see that basically we shorted at 30.30, right in the middle of this minor short zone, and our initial target was at 1.3, the psychological 1.3 level, and the second target just down here at the minor long zone. So we achieved our initial target. I mean, initially about 60 pips on the initial long, and now another 30. That's about 90 pips already. So looking pretty good on the euro today, and I'll be back a bit later with an update. Alright guys, so it's pretty late in the day now. London stock market is closed, pretty much done for the day. So what I wanted to just show you guys is our entry zone, the minor long zone. Our entry from 62 hitting the minor short zone. That was our exit for 68 pips, and then entry reversing that trade from the minor short zone, and well, closing it now for another 30 pips. So nearly 100 pips on the euro today just on this currency pair. We did have a small loser of 10 pips on the Aussie, just below, but let's just call it 10 pips anyway. From here we put it about 10 pips above, so yeah, had a little bit of a loser, and that's about it. So all in all, about 90 pips taken from the market today. Usually we get setups on all the pairs. We didn't get a setup on the pound today. Didn't really do anything, but when it doesn't do anything, then we just want to stay out anyway. So that's pretty much a highlight sort of video I wanted to prepare for you guys, just so you have a better picture of what the day looks like, in terms of what the trading day looks like. Once we've done the hard work, which is in the morning, setting up these zones, all we're doing for the rest of the day is executing those zones when price action gets there, executing and managing the trade in terms of our stop loss to break even, etc., taking half profits and stuff like that. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, drop me a line. You can drop me a line at info@edderovic.com. That's info@edderovic.com, and let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. So thank you for watching, and I will catch you in another one of these videos. Cheers. Bye bye.